Welcome back. Here we have the next question. Based on equal vectors, find the values of x, y and z so that the vector A given with xi cap is 2j plus zk cap and vector B is given accordingly. Both are equal vectors. So solution given vector A and B are equal to us. So you can compare, you can say the vector A is equal to vector B. By comparing, x should be compared with x here. I find the value x is equal to 2, y value corresponding I should say it is 2, z value is nothing but 1. A very simple concept where we speak about two vectors are equal. Got it? Triplet is equal to triplet and according to x, y, z will be compared and therefore we have the solution. One more question I can say. The next one more note I have given here regarding collinear points which are done in identical geometry, PUC first year also. Here, first let me speak about the vector concept wherein it says that two vectors A and B are said to be collinear. Collinear vector definition already we discussed in one more previous topic called types of vectors, wherein we say that two vector A as well as vector B both are collinear vectors if they are parallel to each other irrespective of their length, magnitude, irrespective of their direction. Parallel idre matra, if they are parallel here, we can call them as collinear vectors. So, provided this topic and one more topic we had discussed, that was a scalar multiple. So, scalar multiple, we say that any vector, if it is multiplied with a scalar quantity, will be the same direction. Only thing depending upon k value, positive or negative, the direction makes a difference. This topic nu kuda kaltidevi. So, right now I should say here, based on these two concepts, I can conclude that the condition to prove that two vectors are collinear, then I should say one of the vector B can be expressed as a scalar multiple m into vector A. Scalar multiple of vector A. If this is possible or I can say any one vector can be expressed as a scalar multiple of another vector, the given vector, then these two vectors are parallel to each other, collinear vectors. So, the same note number 2 I given. Based on this, we will be going for the numerical sums and this note is important for us. Where you say 3 points A, B, C will be collinear. Point. So, to declare that 3 points are collinear, let us find out once again points are given. I mean to say OA is given, OB is given, OC is given. So, you have to prove here that 3 points are collinear. For that, I should approach for AB vector. Now, how to find AB? You know it very well. Formula OB minus OA. Find out AC vector formula OC minus OA, and if these are collinear, the condition, above condition says here, that is one of the vector AB vector should be expressed as a scalar multiple of another vector AC. So this condition if you can verify are taken in terms of AB and AC, or you can even speak about AB and BC relation also, or condition. But let's stick on for this relation here, and according to this condition, let's try to prove the given points are collinear. So show that the question is very much clear. Prove that the points are collinear. So collinear, we know it very well the meaning of collinear. On a straight line, of course, the 3 points are said to be collinear. Minimum 3 points, okay, are said to be collinear if they lie on the same straight line. So our kottira data prakara, they say it is 1, 2, 3 anta kottru. It is 4, 5, 6 anta kottidare. It is 6, 7, 8 anta kottidare. Let's say an example. Then I should say that OA is given to us. This is OA. This is OB. 4, 5, 6. This is OC. Vector 6, 7, 8. So from OA, from OB, let me find out AB vector. Let me find out AC vector. And if AC is scalar multiple of any one vector AB, or I should say it is which I taken right now, its AB vector is scalar multiple of AC vector. If this condition is verified which I given here, then you can say that these two vectors are collinear, they are parallel to each other, whereas B is common point. B is, or I should say A is common point when I went for this condition. So as A is common point, they cannot be parallel to each other. They are lying on the same straight line. Therefore, I should declare that A, B, C are collinear points. So solution begins here. Show that the 3 points are collinear. The terms are given to us A, B and C. So solution OA is given to us 4, 2 minus 4. OB is given to us 14, 2, 6 and 10, 2, 2 as the given point which I have to take it as OC vector. Once again, please remember A ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ OA ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, B ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ OB ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, C ಅನ್ನೋ OC ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Don't go for side straight away. ಇದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೂಡ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಮುಂಚೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಈಕ್ವಿಲಾಟರಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್, ಐಸೋಸೆಲೆಸ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್, ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದೇ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ತೋರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Whenever they say point, please accept it as position vector. That's the first and very important concept and to be accepted also. So AB vector antanaga I should say OB minus OA formula, and we have 14, 2, 6 subtract take only. I got it here 10, 0, 10 and I should say it is 10I plus 10K as madhya ನನಗೆ 0J ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, which I can neglect it here. So AC vector I taken here, this formula OC minus OA. Substitution has to be done. OC 10, 2, 2 minus OA 4, 2 minus 4. Subtract it carefully. 10 minus 4, 6. We have 2 minus 2, I should say 0. 2 minus of minus here we have plus. Ultimately we have 6K. So we have 6I plus 6K. So make a note here, these two are there and your duty is now. So to express as one of the vector, I repeat, one of the vector as scalar multiple of another vector. So to fulfill this requirement, the solution should be, even you can make a note here, ನೋಡಿ 10I plus 10K ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6I plus 6K ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Just try to arrange it here and to begin with, ಎರಡು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಒಂದು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. That is, consider AB vector as 10I plus 10K. Followed by, your target is to reach here for 6I and 6K. For this, keep AB vector as it is. Followed by, at the most what common terms are available here, extract it out. We had 10 common available. We are left out with it is I plus K here. So once we have taken common, AB is kept as it is only. Okay, this 10 is taken, the maximum which is available, common available, extract it out. Now my requirement is hook or crook you have to bring here 6I plus 6K ತರಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಹಾಗಂತ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ 10 ನ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ 6 ತರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. But we know it very well. Any terms can be balanced with here. I mean to say I plus K. I can multiply it by 6, a scalar, and I can balance it by 6. Mathematically the terms are balanced here. So ಮತ್ತೆ next step ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ 6 ನ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. And don't say again 10I plus 10K reverse gear ಹೊಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. Then AB is equal to AB vector ಅಲ್ಲ. Correct? 6 was required for us depending upon this term. I want to introduce AC vector. AB is kept as it is only. But here I would like to go for AC vector. For that, 6 is multiplied and 6 is balanced here. Multiply and divide, I mean. So this 6 should be multiplied within. That is 10 by 6 kept as it is this term. Left out I should say it is 6I cap plus I should say it is 6K cap. So at the most whatever terms can multiply can be simplified here, we are doing it accordingly. I find it to be so and so. I should say 2 5s are 2 3s are. We are left out with 5 by 3. The whole term is nothing but I should say it is AC vector. This term I should say it is AB vector kept as it is. So I find that AB vector is nothing but the scalar multiple, that is 5 by 3 times of AC vector. This implies AB vector and AC vector are collinear vectors. Okay, so when I am declaring collinear vector, definition says they are parallel. But these cannot be parallel as A is common point. Because A is common point, all these 3 points, the position vector given data, they should lie on the same straight line. I mean to say therefore that implies for the given points are collinear points. Given points are collinear points should be the answer. So once again pause ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ replay ಮಾಡಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. AB, AC and followed by consider any one vector AB. ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ modification ಮಾಡ್ತಾ you have to drag this vector so as to prove this condition. So this condition you have to prove it. One vector as scalar multiple of another vector. Okay? ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೀನಾಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you are actually speaking about the section formula where A is dividing internally in the ratio 5:3 from B towards C. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೀನಾಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ theory part. But right now it's too early for you to understand. Just go for solution part what I given here. Similar next question I given on the same topic, collinear condition. 2i plus 3j plus 4k points, and you have to prove that these 3 points are collinear. Once again, take it as OA 2, 3, 4. Or A, B, C kottilla andre neeve tagobekadana. A, B, C are 3 points whose position vectors are given to us. Symbol OA, OB 5, 6, 8, OC 8, 9, 12. Followed by AB vector, it's OB minus OA. We are left with 3, 3, 4. AC vector, it is of course a calculation, do it from your side. I can verify 6, 6, 8. So after doing this 1 and 2, consider first vector AB, consider AB vector. I find 3i plus 3j plus 4k. So followed by, if anything is common available, hook or crook, this result has to be modified in terms of 6, 6, 8 baro hage madkotira. For this, any changes can be done here, but you have to balance it properly. So anything it's common to which you can extract here, take it out. Right now I don't find any common, whereas my requirement is to go for 6, 6, 8, and that's why I'm trying to balance it the whole given vector as it is by multiply it by 2 and balance it by 2. Once I do this modification, multiply by 2 will be done for numerator term, and denominator will be kept as it is, that is 1 by 2 kept as it is. This 2 will be multiplied here. I should say it is 6i, I can say it is 6j, I can say it is 8k. Correct? And this is itself is nothing but, I should say it is AC vector. So can I say that now AB vector is half of AC vector? This implies therefore, I can say therefore, AB vector and AC vector are collinear vector. That further implies given points A, B and C are collinear points. Conclude the answer. Got it? Similarly, this question, homework for you, and let's have the solution in today's discussion session.